In today's video, we'll be learning 10 very useful Canva tips and tricks such as grouping elements, how to lock background effects, and much more. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to Shootbit. In this channel, we regularly publish software and technology tutorials, interesting and useful tips and tricks, and much more. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when new videos are published. The first trick that helps to save time is single key shortcuts. For example, you can tap the key R on your keyboard to generate the rectangle. By clicking on C, you can generate a circle. If you want to write a text, simply tap T to generate it. And lastly, you can create a line by clicking on L. The handles in the side will help you to resize them. You can also change the colors. The second tip is called Quick Add Images. We can drag an image directly onto the page from a folder. This will save you having to upload the image, selecting and dragging it onto the page. The third tip is Image Backdrop Effect. This feature gives an ability to add shadow effects to the image. Firstly, select the image, then click on Effects button at the top. Once it's loaded, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the shadow button. You can also add a glow or a frame to image. There are many options, so you can choose on your own. By clicking on backdrop icon, you'll see the lines in it. Click on them and you'll see a menu option. Here, we can adjust the shadow for the image. The next tip is called outline effect. With the help of this effect, you can add an outline to images. Select the image, then click on Effect button. Click on the first one called Glow. Change the color to white and drop the blur to 0. But remember that after applying, you will no longer be able to edit it. Increase the intensity to 100 and also increase the size to whatever you want. This tool is used to create thumbnails for YouTube channels. When we have multiple elements on top of each other, sometimes we want to select the elements underneath, which is really difficult to do. So the next tip will help us to do so, which is called Select Hidden Elements. So hold down Ctrl and then Ctrl click. It selects the element behind. The next tip is called Grouping Elements. If you want to group the elements, you can highlight all those elements and move them as one. The next tip is called Lock Background Effects. You can mostly use this effect while creating some templates being used particularly. Select the rectangle and click the padlock symbol in the top right-hand menu. Now we cannot move it from its place. We can do the same thing with the text. To unlock, click on padlock symbol again. The tip number 8 is called Save Brand, Colors, Logos, and Fonts. We have a useful feature which gives the ability to save our brand kit for quick access. On the home page, click on Brand Hub in the left-hand menu. Here, you can add your brand logo, colors, and font. The tip number 9 is called Add Hyperlinks. If you are creating PDFs to distribute people, a useful feature is to add links. To do this quickly, highlight the text and click on the link button. Enter your URL and click Apply. It will underline the text. And the last tip is called Duplicate Image Quickly. Click on Alt button and Option in Max and click on Image. Drag it to a new position and this will duplicate the image. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we publish new videos.